All right, everybody. Kelly here, Central Florida's Real Estate Ninja. Thank you for watching this video and coming to my channel. I built this channel because I wanted to expose people that are looking to move to Central Florida to this incredible city called Clermont, Florida. It's a beautiful town. This is the town that for years everybody wanted to move to because of the atmosphere. You get that small town feel, but you get all the big city stuff that's near you. I'm literally 25 minutes outside of both Disney World, SeaWorld, Universal, and Orlando in Clermont. Now, Clermont's known as the Gem of the Hills for a reason. We are one of the very few places in Florida that when you come to, you can see just beautiful hills. Some of the landscapes, people's backyards, you overlook these rolling hills that just go on, and you kind of feel like you're more up north, except it's a little warmer down here, right? So there is just so much. Clermont's undergoing revitalization. If you love that old town look, but you don't want it to look nasty, this is the place for you. Clermont has put a lot of time and money into redeveloping the old town, old city, new brick roads, brand new restaurants all coming in. It's become a night spot. A lot of pubs have moved in. So it is a fantastic place to have that big city feel, but in a little town environment. But you're close to all the attractions. Orlando, you're not that far from Disney World. You're not that far from Tampa. You're about an hour from Daytona Beach. So this is the place to go. And if you're looking to relocate to Florida, you should be checking out Clermont. Now, let's talk a little bit about an option. So today's video, we're going to talk about some home buying options in Clermont, Florida. If you're moving to Central Florida, and it's not just located in Clermont, these options can be all over Central Florida, and it's designed to help you not be pressured to make a decision that you're going to regret. So let me lay out a scenario. If you're currently renting and you're not ready to buy, this program's from you. If you are out of state and selling your home, or you're renting and you're moving to Florida and you're buying a home, but mortgage rates are high, you're scared, right? This program is perfect. Wait till you see what this thing does. I'm going to lay it out for you. We've partnered as real estate agents with a company called Home Partners of America. And what they do is they allow you, once you sign their application, it's very simple, a 620 or higher score, no criminal background, and then no recent bankruptcies on the book. If that's you and you make over $40,000 a year, they will approve you within a day or two, in most cases, and then allow you to go out and find any home that's listed for sale by a realtor and get it. Now, they will pay cash for that home, and then they will allow you to move in, and they will give you a 1-year lease. We call it it's technically a lease to own. Now, none of the lease payments go towards a principal, but because it's a lease to own, they're locking that home for up to 5 years. They're giving you up to 5 years to consummate with a mortgage, giving you time to see what's going on with interest rates and time to make sure that this is the home in the neighborhood, in the area that you want to live. Now, like with any other rent or lease to own, they do 1 year at a time. So you are locked in for 1 year. And if you re-up it for the next year, then you're locked in then. However, you're not locked into having to buy the home. So let's just walk again through this scenario. You're moving from out of town, or you're renting and looking for your next property, and you just are unsure. You go ahead and pick up one of these houses. You don't have to bring 35 or 40 grand to the table right now at a 6 to 6.5% interest rate, get locked into a high payment, only to refinance when interest rates go down and spend even more money. So you find that perfect home, and let's say a year from now, again, I'm not prognosticating, I am not telling you this is going to happen, but let's say, hypothetically, a year from now, interest rates finally come down. You can consummate that home, get a mortgage at the lower interest rate, and now have a much lower payment, giving you options. So let's take a look. I'm going to share my screen and kind of walk you through a scenario in real time. So here we are. We've logged into Home Partners, and we put in the city of Clermont. Here it is right through here. And we're looking at all the homes that are showing up on the MLS that can be purchased through the program. So I arbitrarily picked one home. Here it is right here. And this home's located literally within minutes to downtown Clermont. And it's got some amazing views in the backyard. I'll show you the front of it. There it is right there. Now, this one through Home Partners, the lease to own, the rent is $2,740 per month, right? Now, if I go into the MLS and I find this home, you see it's active. It's been active for 5 days. It's 4 1/4, $425,000. It's 2,500 feet, 4 bed, 2 bath. brilliant location. If I want to find out how much that house would cost me if I had an FHA loan, the majority of the loans that we see are FHA. You've got VA and other loan vehicles, but historically, FHA is the most used vehicle. So let's just compare apples to apples. If I want to go ahead and buy that home on an FHA, I need to come in with a 3.5% down payment, which is almost $15,000. Then I need an additional $13,000 to $15,000 in closing costs. So I'm going to be out of pocket at today's interest rates, almost $30,000 before I can buy that home. Then the payment's going to be $29.67. Again, at today's interest rates, the hope is you got to have a home, might as well bite the bullet. And then interest rates go down in a year or two or whatever, just refinance. Well, when you refinance, there's an additional chunk of change you have to come up with to drop that payment. Well, let's say instead of $2,900, if that was your dream home, you leased it with a right to purchase for $2,700. And a year from now, interest rates come down 1 or 2 points. Then you consummate your mortgage, buy it. You end up with a lower payment and you don't have to refinance. Again, guys, here's the options. You can check out the area. You might find out a year from now that there's another home that comes up available near that one that's even better. You can buy that one. Or if that's your home, you're already in there, you love the area, you've developed friendships, you can buy it. And guys, that is how this program absolutely will help you in those scenarios. So again, let's recap. If you're currently renting anywhere in the area and you're looking to move to Clermont or any of the surrounding areas in Central Florida, this is the program for you. If you're coming from out of state and you want to try the area first, this is your program. It allows you to seamlessly move into the home that you pick and gives you up to 5 years in Florida to consummate a mortgage. Now, there's more details in the program. So below the video, I'm going to link Home Partners of America's site. You're welcome to go and check them out. As a licensed realtor, I do work with people. And if you are interested in this program, drop me some comments below and we'll schedule a phone call and or a Zoom. And I'll walk you through some more intimate details of this program. But guys, this thing is absolutely amazing. And if you're definitely coming down here and you're going to rent first, we should talk. Because what I'm seeing with high interest rates is you can get into these homes for at or below market value for rental. Again, I'm not prognosticating. I'm not telling you that's definitive. But what I'm seeing right now, you can have more selections, more choices. If you go and try to find rentals in Clermont proper, there are very few. With the MLS, Katie bar the door. You can pick whatever home you want. So it gives you more choice and in some cases, a lower payment. All right, guys, Kelly here, Central Florida's real estate ninja, Clermont's real estate agent. And I absolutely appreciate you. Make sure you hit subscribe and the notification bell. Stay up to date on all things Clermont and all things Central Florida. And again, look below the video. I'll leave my contact information. I'll leave information on this Home Partners program. And if you are interested, I will email you a link. You simply fill out their application. And once you're approved, we can start looking for your next home here in Clermont or the surrounding area. All right, that's it, guys. I appreciate you. And stay tuned for some more great content on Central Florida and Clermont in particular. All right, have a great day. And I will see you on the next video.